Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to It's Time for a Trip. In today's video, we're going to share with you some fantastic tips and tricks on how to pack light for your next trip. Whether you're jetting off for a weekend getaway or embarking on a long-term adventure, these packing hacks will help you streamline your luggage and make your journey much more enjoyable. So, let's dive right in. Plan your outfits. One of the key strategies for packing light is planning your outfits in advance. Create a capsule wardrobe by selecting versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create multiple looks. This way, you can pack fewer clothes without compromising your style. Roll, don't fold. When it comes to packing clothes, rolling them instead of folding can save a surprising amount of space. Not only does it minimize wrinkles, but it also allows for efficient use of every nook and cranny in your suitcase. Choose lightweight fabrics. Opt for lightweight fabrics that are wrinkle-resistant and dry quickly. Fabrics like linen and merino wool are excellent choices as they are lightweight, breathable, and versatile. Utilize packing cubes. Packing cubes are a game-changer when it comes to organizing your belongings. These handy cubes help maximize space, keep your clothes compressed, and allow for easy access to specific items without creating a mess. Minimize toiletries. Toiletries can take up a significant amount of space in your luggage. Minimize the number of products you bring by using travel-sized containers or purchasing toiletries at your destination. Remember, most accommodations provide basic toiletries as well. Choose dual-purpose items. Look for items that serve multiple purposes. For example, a sarong can be used as a beach cover-up, scarf, or even a blanket during your flight. This way, you'll have fewer items to pack and more versatility during your trip. Wear bulky items while traveling. If you're carrying bulky items like jackets or boots, wear them instead of packing them. This frees up space in your luggage and keeps you warm and comfortable during your journey. Limit the number of shoes. Shoes are often the heaviest and bulkiest items in our luggage. Minimize the number of shoes you bring by selecting versatile pairs that can be dressed up or down to match different outfits. Remember, one pair for walking, one for special occasions is usually sufficient. Use travel-sized tech. Tech gadgets can quickly take up a lot of space. Opt for travel-sized versions of your electronics, such as compact cameras, portable chargers, and foldable keyboards. This allows you to stay connected without adding unnecessary weight to your bag. Embrace laundry on the go. Don't be afraid to do laundry during your trip. Many accommodations offer laundry facilities, or you can find local laundromats. By washing your clothes mid-trip, you can pack even lighter and have fresh clothes throughout your journey. And there you have it, our top 10 tips for packing light on your next adventure. By following these hacks, you'll be amazed at how much space and weight you can save in your luggage, making your travels easier and more enjoyable. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips, destination guides, and adventure inspiration. Safe travels and happy packing!